morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Tuesday, December 23rd. The euro traded a tad higher against the US dollar to close at 1.2227. Yesterday's data showed that the Eurozone's consumer confidence improved more than expected to minus 10.9 in December, while markets were expecting it to advance to a reading of minus 11. Elsewhere in Germany, the import price index eased 0.8% on a MOM basis in November, higher than market expectations of a drop of 0.7%. The greenback traded on a weaker footing, following worse than expected existing home sales data in the US. Existing home sales dropped 6.1% on a monthly basis, hitting a 6-month low in December, worse than market expectations for a 1.1% fall. In other economic data, the nation's Chicago Fed Nationality Activity Index climbed unexpectedly to a level of 0.73 in November, and following a revised reading of 0.31 recorded in the preceding month. Markets were expecting the index to drop to a level of 0.25. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2207, and a follow-through could take it to the next support level of 1.2183. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.2264, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2298. Trading trends in the pair today are expected to be determined by the US durable goods orders data scheduled later today. The British pound fell 0.26% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5583. Yesterday, the Bank of England's Martin Wale projected wages to rise in the UK in 2015 and more permanent jobs to be created amid a stronger economic recovery. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5554, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.5516. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5648, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5704. Trading trends in the pound today are expected to be determined by Britain's final GDP reading to confirm if the pace of economic growth in the UK remained robust for the third quarter, set for release in a few hours. The US dollar strengthened 0.47% against the Japanese yen and closed at 120.11. Yesterday, the Bank of Japan in its monthly report remained upbeat over Japan's economy and further added that the effects of the decline in demand following a sales tax hike was waning in the whole. The pair is expected to find support at 119.61, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 119.10. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 120.42, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 120.72. On account of a holiday in Japan today, investor sentiment would be governed by global macroeconomic news. The Australian dollar weakened 0.24% against the US dollar to close at 0.8121. On the macro front, in China, Australia's biggest trading partner, the leading economic index climbed 0.9% in November, following a revised rise of 0.8% recorded in the preceding month. The pair is expected to find support at 0.8102, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.8079. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.8162, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.8199. Looking ahead, investors would monitor Australia's CB leading indicator data scheduled overnight. Gold prices traded lower by 1.50% against the US dollar at $1176.50 per ounce amid a strong rally in the global equity markets. Yesterday, the SPDR Gold Trust revealed that its gold holdings remained unchanged after advancing to its highest level in a week on December 19th. The pair is expected to find support at 1164.20, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1151.00. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1197.10, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1216.80. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market predictions, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day.